Hey guys, today I'm sitting here in my futuristic design studio, surrounded by the tools that fuel creativity. And I have something amazing to share with you. If you are a designer, developer, or just love stunning digital experiences, this will inspire you. This is Montfort.com, in my opinion, one of the most beautifully crafted websites in the world. Let's dive in. From the moment you land on this site, the animations, layout, and attention to detail just pull you in. Notice how smooth the transitions are? So if you need inspiration for your next project, bookmark Montfort.com and take notes. Design like this pushes us to think bigger. Me, Saeed Asif Ahmed, signing off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative inspiration. Me.